So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload an image onto Visme. So once Visme's open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the left-hand side of your screen. I want you to go down to this Photos tab right here and click on it. Then once you're here, I want you to go all the way up to the top to where it says upload and simply just press on upload to get this drop down. Now on the drop down, you can upload a photo from your computer if you have it saved. You can upload it by URL if you have an URL for it. You can use your camera on your laptop or your device as well. Or perhaps you can use other software such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Widen. So for example, if you were to press on by URL, you can just paste the URL into there, press on insert, and there you go. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can upload an image or a photo into Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.